In section 3.2, we will be revisiting slope. So we've got an example problem here. Suppose you are taking a long trip in your car. At 5 p.m. you notice that the odometer reads 45,623 miles. At 9 p.m. you notice that it reads 45,831. You find your average speed during that time period by dividing the difference in distance by the difference in time. Notice we can look at our information 5 p.m. with our odometer reading as an XY coordinate, and our second piece of information at 9 p.m. with our odometer reading as our second XY coordinate. And we can use those values to find our slope. And in this case, as we're shown, our slope is our average speed, and it is 52 miles per hour. So, just as a reminder, our slope equation, we always want the change in y over the change in x. And the way we find the change in y is y2 minus y1, and our change in x is x2 minus x1. And once we have our slope, we can write an equation in intercept form. And there's two ways to think about intercept form. You might see it in your book written as y equals a plus bx. Or you may have learned it in the past as y equals mx plus b. Both forms give you the same information. Okay? The b is attached to x in our first form, so that's our slope. And the m is attached to x in the second version, so that's our slope. And in both of these equations, the constant is the y-intercept. So we've got one example to try here. Go ahead and see if you can complete this on your own. If you get stuck or you finish and you want to check your work, watch the next video to do so.